Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. Today is my Grow with Grace binder day, where I have $200 in prop money and then some saving challenges I am saving throughout the whole year, giving myself some grace if I don't complete them. So, first we are going to do this save $2,026 in 2026. You can find this in my Etsy or in my Kofi as a digital download, and I did come out with a 2027 one. I need to get that up. You guys want that now to get started? If you want to early, if you want to, let me know down below and I'll go ahead and drop that one for you guys. So let's get my color dye here, and we're going to pink, and this is saving for taxes for next year. So let me see, we've been getting pink a lot, so let's go ahead and do this 15. And we'll do another color too. So that is 15. And let's go again. Blue. And let's go ahead and do the 22. I want to do the big numbers. So just in case I don't finish this at the end of the year, I got some of the big numbers that would add up nicely. So let's do 22. So that is $20, $35, $36, $37. And then we'll come back to this if we need to. Next is saving for vacation. This says $1,200. This is created by Mint Dough. And let's go ahead and do let's go ahead and do the 20 and 17. Should I do that? Yeah, let's do that. So let's do 20 and 17 for 37. I was saying, was it a 3 on here? Yeah. So let's do the 3. So 37, 38, 39, and 40. Let's do $40. 20, 30, 40. So 40 is going into this one. All right, next is, it's labeled senior year, but this is for my son graduating for basic training. And we are on this side, the roll and say created by Snowgarner 307. And let's roll a D12, and we got 8. So let's go ahead and do 8. And let's do it again. Ooh, 11, $19. Do I got $1 in here? No. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. $19 is going. We already finished this side of it. We just finished. We're doing this side. All right. Next is month ahead. And let's see. We is almost finished with this. So I'm just going to go up and down. So we got this one here. Let's get a marker. That is the cell phone for $2. 1 and 2. We got this one here, which is $1. We got the house here, which is $3. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, and this is created by Champagne's Corner. I lost where I was at. Okay, we got this car for $9. Let's put $1 back and grab a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 15 we put in here. See how many more I got? I'm done. I think I'm done. Hold on, let's go again. Let's look, scan through here. Yeah, that is done. Let's see how much we save for a month ahead. I don't have a tracker in here. No, I don't. All right. Let's put these back. 10. So for a month ahead with Champagne's Corners saving challenge, we got 120, 40, 60, 70, 80. So 180, that's not bad. 180. And I kind of want to just wipe this off and then do this again with some different denominations. So we say 180 with that one for a month ahead. And then let's go to emergency funds. Oh, that is my book here, or this is created by Budget Introvert. The Giant Ant Savings says 1,200 plus. Like I said, this going towards emergency funds, and we finish a lot of pages here. All right, let's do this one. And let's roll. Should I just go straight across? I don't know. So let's go with a green. Green is this one here. And that is $7. 5, 6, and 7. Blue is this one, I believe. Blue is $4. Put $1 back and grab a 5. Purple. Purple is here. Purple is $3. 1, 2, and 3. And let's do these two up here. This is another purple for 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And let's go ahead and do this yellow. Yellow, oh, 6. 5 and 6. So let's condense this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, $23 going to here. I think that's a great amount. And this page says $162 if I did it right. Ooh, then we got this page. I just love this. Love, love, love. Okay, and that's Budgeting Introvert. All right, and next is the most basic saving challenge. You can find this on Amazon. Says 15K. And we working on this. We working on we say 300 so far, so this is 400, and this is going towards student loans. Oh, we ain't gonna talk about that. We're gonna pray about it. So let's go ahead and I was gonna roll. Should I roll? Let's see. Let's roll this. So we got a 7. So let's do. Dang, do I got 2 amounts to add to 7? No. I sure don't. Let's roll again. 5. Okay, I was gonna do this 5 anyway. So let's do this 5. I might put the rest of that money in here. All right, 5. Let's see. We got 6. Let's go ahead and do this 6. And then 5 and 6. Another 6. I don't have a 6. Oh yeah, I do right here. Let's do a different color. Let's do purple. Pretty soon I'm gonna have to just make my binder. I need a student loan payoff binder. That's what I think I'm gonna have to create, you know. 5 and 6. And let's go again. 4. Okay. Let's do this 4 up here. So that's 4. Let's put it, let's put $1 back and grab a 5. So what's that so far? 5, 10, 15, 21. Let's go again. 8. Okay. We got an 8. Let's do some yellow in here. Yellow. Let's do yellow here. And then that'd be all for today. Let's do 4. And let's do 4. Okay. And then $8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20. No. 5, 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. $29 out of 105. How much money I got left? I still got a lot of money left. Should I go ahead and put 15? 5, 10, 15. Let me see how many ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22. Okay, still 22. Yeah, let's go ahead and put this 15 in there. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm just going to outline these and then I'll come back and color it in because I don't want to keep you guys up. You know, I know you guys got things you got to do. So let me go ahead and put pink here. Right there. And then let's do orange here. Boom. And then I'll color those in. So that's the 15. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. $44 into the student loan savings. All right. And then let's put the rest into this. Oh, goodness, I can't talk. Let's put the rest of this into vacation. What I said I had left, 22, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yes, $22. Let's put that in a calculator. Minus, where's my highlighter? See, let's do some big numbers. So let's do 15. So minus 15. Ooh, I thought I was going to be, yeah, $7. Okay. I thought I was going to be doing a lot, but no. Let's do that 7 right there. Boom. So that is $22 more added to here. And we're getting close to finishing this one. All right, gems, that is it. That is $200 put into my Grow with Grace binder, which I think I'm going to have to change this binder into a student loan debt payoff binder. But we shall see. So thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.